So today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of my room. Just go right in. Okay, so when you come in, the first thing you see is my bed. Now, I really love this bedspread. I actually saw this last year when me and Cedric were thinking about the idea about moving to the dorms when she graduated. And I was very happy to see that they still had it, so I got it. And then those are just, like this pillow came with the bedspread. That one I got to match my bedspread at home, so I just brought that along. That pillow, I don't remember where I got that, but it matches everything because my color is rose gold. This is just like my collection of pictures and lights. I think it's really pretty, especially with the lights off. It has most of my family up there. I know I'm missing a few. I've still got to print more pictures off, but it's just got a bunch of my favorite memories. Me and Sejin, seeing Harry, just a lot of fun memories from the summer, from past summers, just everything. I got like baby Stella, lots of pictures of me and Sejin. I got my cousin, my other cousin, yeah. Just, it's like my whole family, and my dog is up there. So, then you come right here, and this is just my little nightstand. I got this, I think from Walmart. I got a flashlight, you know, in case the power goes out or something. Just my medicine and water. I drink water. And then my room's like theme is travel, so you can see like this travel picture. And this is a selfie with me and Nessie. Down here is just this cute basket that has an M on it. Sejin actually has a matching one that has an S. And in here, I just have my blanket and then some nail polish and hand sanitizer. Just stuff that doesn't have a spot just goes in there. So then, moving over to here, I have some more travel pictures. Just traveling's my theme. I really like to travel. Yeah, another picture of Sejin, my dad holding Stella for the first time. And you always see something super annoying. Okay, now it's gonna be close, but I shut it and it comes back open. Like it doesn't stay shut at all. Okay, here is our my pink rug. This we actually bought for the bathroom, and Sejin has a matching blue one, but they didn't fit in the bathroom, so now we just have them in here. So it's pretty furry. Here's my dirty clothes basket. Just dirty clothes basket. Here is a tripod for making YouTube videos, which will be coming soon. Now we're gonna come to my closet, which you guys are gonna see my video first. But compare my closet to Sejin's closet when you see her video. So I'm just gonna open it up. I don't have really anything organized, so it's just all thrown in here. Now this is not all of my clothes. This is just what I brought for now. But my empty hangers. Down here is a bag of like the makeup I don't use and like purses. And then up here is just some of the bags I use to bring stuff here. I got like my Aldi bags and just stuff like that. Then I really like this mirror. I've never had like a full length mirror, so it's really nice to have. Come over to this side is just my shoes on the floor. Another bedspread because actually when we did like the tour of the dorm, they said that the beds were twin XL, so that's what we bought. But when we moved in, we realized that the beds were not twin XL, so I just have to return that because I had to buy a new one. So that's just why that's up there. Coming over here is my little desk area, and I actually think it's like super cute. I have more travel pictures, and they're all like sitting on like desk and that because the nails we bought to hang stuff were too small, so it's just all sitting there. They got some more lights, and I accidentally printed that picture twice, so if you see it another time, that's why. And then I think this is really cute. This was actually just holding my pens, and I stuck some flowers in it, just made it cute. Then up here, that's just like my body spray lotion, makeup remover, bunch of little chapsticks, another picture, and then this is Travel the World. I have like a bunch of letters so I can change what it says, but Travel the World fit with my theme right now, which is traveling. So, down here, this is my Mac. It's kind of old, so I just play Sims on it, and then I do like my schoolwork on my laptop. So, and then like I can watch YouTube and that. So that's what this is for. My planner, which says you're not supposed to same of. Then these little paper things came with the travel pictures, so I just have them sitting around. Another picture. This is my makeup mirror for when I do my makeup. Then in here, this is where I keep my makeup, which is really good. I think it was $8 from Walmart, so it was really cheap. But I don't have my makeup like organized, so it's just like makeup brushes and like hair ties and bobby pins. And this one, again, not organized, just random stuff. And then just that stuff. That's like the makeup I use every day. Oh, okay, it's gonna fall. Then right here, I just have like notebooks and that. Are papers for the dorms, so stuff I don't use every day. Down here, I have an umbrella, because you know it rains a lot, so I need an umbrella. And then this awesome toolbox my dad got me. Basically has any tools we need, like screwdrivers and like another flashlight, a hammer. We actually really needed some of this stuff because like our cabinet door is falling off, so we screw back on. And I need some screwdrivers like that tape. I need to use that. It just came in handy in case we need it for anything. In this drawer is my school stuff. So I have like pencils. It's kind of a mess, but a stapler, a hot glue gun. These are like my notebooks and folders for classes. Yeah, it's just kind of messy, but it's good. There's my book bag and my purse. And then this is my YouTube background. So this will be where you see me making some new YouTube videos. But I got this from Walmart, and I think it's really cute, and like it matches my room like with the pink in it. It's like all goes together. But I think that's everything. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be watching Thursday for Sedgen's room tour. I know her room's pretty cute, so you guys are gonna want to watch for that. If you guys have any video ideas, comment them down below. We would love to hear some suggestions. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We're almost to 50. Almost. If you guys haven't seen, me and Sedgen just did a like whole dorm tour, so you guys can see like our kitchen and our living room and all that. It's really cute. I really love our dorm. So if I can figure out how, put it in the eye. Is it on this side? Or is it on this side?
Yeah.
This side? So it'll be up here if I can figure out how to do that. If not, it'll be in the description below. You guys should really check it out. Am I missing something?
Don't be afraid to be yourself.
Oh yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time, and don't forget to be yourself. Bye!